So when we set up KM in 2008, the whole people who used to walk in the street, they would just pause there and feel the whole energy of these young people. So it's a culmination of amazing energy of seekers. But sometimes if they are so good that they're going to benefit my workflow, and in a way they are giving something and we are giving something back to them as an experience, and it's a fantastic exchange, I would say. So when we started KM, we got this teacher and there was so much of interest for learning guitar. We started guitar, and now when I saw these kids play, it was especially Shidhanta learning classical guitar in a way where he comes from Manipur to Chennai to learn Western classical guitar and really shining.
Shidhanta, a local boy from a small town called Kumbi in Manipur, found his calling in music. Inspired by legendary guitarists like B.B. King, Eric Clapton and John Mayer, he picked up a guitar at the age of 15.
When I listen to them, I can literally know they are speaking, even if they just play the instrument. I think that's how I really like mostly the string instruments. They are really expressive and they don't even have to say anything.
Each day, he'd passionately follow his lessons, spending every single moment strumming those strings. But Shidhanta wanted more. He wanted to make it big.
Music is a beautiful language. I can easily connect to people, the whole world. I can share my love and happiness.
He was seeking something that could give wings to his imagination.
Shidhanta,
Yeah.
how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm feeling really good.
Tell me about the experience when you first went to KM. What did you feel?
On the first day, it was for the auditions. So I had to play classical guitar. So they gave me a classical guitar. So by the time I wasn't played classical guitar before. So I tried to play it, and after a few seconds I found out there was no fretboard mark on the fretboard. So I played it for a few seconds and I couldn't finish the song that I was playing. That's how I started. And I was introduced to classical guitar. So at the beginning it took a little bit time to get the music. So only after I started playing it and listening to myself, I kind of hear and get the beauty and truth in the classical music. So that's when I started to realize why I really like music.
Tell me about your experience with the other students and the teachers.
I think the great things to be being in a conservatory is that I am being surrounded by the people who have the same love in music. So we are encouraging and appreciating each other, whatever we're doing, which is, I think, very important to grow as a music student. So we share all the ideas, and I have so many nice friends, and they are really good at producing. Some of them are really good at pianos. So my priority is guitar, but I also want to learn all of this because I have to compose my own music and songs. I just felt like I've just opened a book and there's a lot more pages to read.
Yes. So the thing is, you're lucky because you have a lot of stories to tell from your land. And beautiful people out in Manipur, I've been there, and very musical and very nature loving. And you have a lot of great scenery.
Yeah, we have a lot of beautiful instruments.
Yeah, you rely upon nature, which is a great thing for music. And I'm sure that whatever you write is going to be beautiful.
Yeah. I'm also composing few songs, and sometimes I really love guitar. I used to play it every morning and night, but sometimes I felt like distracting and doing same things over and over again. So I want to know that do you feel the same sometimes? Because you have been working all these years, all day and night, doing scorings and producing, composing over and over again.
Music is about mind control. And You can control the mind. You can make it be a slave to you, to what you want to do. And otherwise, what happens? It controls you. And more than music, you should learn mind control, to meditate and to focus on oneness and empty your brain and then fill it up with the imagery or the story you want to tell.
Thank you again. Like, I'm really glad and happy that I'm here and I'm learning all this.
I'm so happy that you come from Manipur to Chennai to learn music, and I hope more people come in, and hope you go back and spread and light all of your friends and co-Manipurians.
It was the song Vande Mataram that I came to know about you, sir. So it was so amazing. Like, anyone can tell that the songs came out right from the heart. So after that, I came to know about all your works and achievements, awards that you have received. So
I know that's all past, but
yeah,
for me, the biggest achievement would be your success. And I truly believe that, and wishing you all the best.
thank you so much.
I heard you're going to play classical guitar for us. I'm looking forward to that. Wishing you the very best.
Thank you.
In Shidhanta's case, Manipur to Chennai was not a long distance. His love for music shortened the whole distance, and I'm so pleased to see him smile and be elated about music, musicality, and his future.